This is when I was talking about when you need to calm down a nervous system, why you go to the back is because you can potentially release 172 different inputs into your cord that you could get to calm down. Massage therapists make a career on that. Why is it so relaxing when I go get a massage? How many times have you gone for a massage that they didn't rub your back? This is why people go to relax and get a massage. It's because the whole nervous system calms down. Right? The whole nervous system, which can affect so many different things, right? Like think about calming down your nervous system and how digestion will work better and all of the effects of calming down a nervous system is because there's so much neural innervation in your back. It's so much more than anywhere else in your body. Right? So you can use that as a tool. Right? You can use that as a tool when you're working with your patients. There's many patients that I've got a patient right now that when we're done, he always is like, "Can you just run up and down my back a few times?" Because he knows when he leaves, he feels better if I just run up and down his back a few times. Right? And this is why. It's the segmental innervation is the reason.